Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Tony Hill. I'm a personal and small business credit coach, online marketer, YouTuber. Welcome to Making Sense of Credit, making sense of online marketing, and making money online. Appreciate it, guys. Thanks for being here with me. If this is your first time to my channel, uh, please subscribe, smash the like button, hit the notification bell for upcoming content. Feel free to make a comment, and most of all, share this with your friends and family. Hey, I'm sharing my screen with you here today, and I'm going to be talking about, if you guys were hit with me in 2019, I told you I was going to be doing a lot more this year in 2020 about making money online. And I did kind of a little quick review. If you guys follow me, you know I like to drive in my car, and actually I'm doing a little tutorial today to kind of walk you through the site on Fiverr today. So welcome. The the thing that I love about Fiverr is like you don't need a website, you don't need a funnel, you don't need a email autoresponder, any of those things. Advertising. I mean, people come here to find each other. It's a kind of a marketplace freelance site. You can buy anything, you can sell anything. I'm sharing my screen with you. I'm just going to run through a little bit. I mean, you want a logo, you want a tattoo design, cartoon design, you name it. You can pretty much buy and sell anything here digitally, um, which I love. Flyers, music, jingles, logos, you name it. It's pretty cool. Well, if you guys, most of you guys know that I'm a personal and small business credit coach. So I also um, I sell I sell my services on here, and most of what they do they call them gigs. So let me just go to my dashboard real quick here first. But this is me, 4.9, woohoo, almost 5 stars. I had one guy give me a low score, desperate guy, but anyway, we won't talk about that. That's another video. But anyway, on time response rate is important, delivery on time is important, and order completion. Okay, so that's what it looked like. This is what I see. I'll show you what you guys see. You guys will see something different. So when you go to my site, you see this level 1. You start at a beginning level, and then you see all my gigs in here. And look, I've been off and on with Fiverr for, uh, coming up on 3 years, but I haven't really done a whole lot with it. I had it, but I didn't do a whole lot. Really just started to gel for me when I put my heart and soul into it about 3 or 4 months ago. So you guys don't have to wait that long. You can dive right into this thing. But if you look at my gigs, I got a ebook on here that I sell for $5. Man, I tell you, I used to give these things away for free, and I've just put it on here on Fiverr, and I started just killing them. Really selling quite a few books in the last 30, 60 days. I just couldn't believe how well it did here. Um, Might as well get paid for it instead of giving it away. Uh, the other thing is that I have this gig here. So let me just show you inside a gig. So you click on a gig, and this is what you see, the public sees. So the cool thing about gigs, let me just move this over here. The cool thing about gigs is that you have 3 separate gigs. You can go basic, standard, and then premium, which is very cool. And you can upgrade it, and then you can add extras, and then also the cool thing I like about extras, you can charge more money. So here I got 1 day, but let's say if this was a 3-day package, I could actually, and on some other gigs, I charge more, and most people on Fiverr will charge you more for people who want to get it quicker. So I love that. That's pretty cool. And then also too, you can share your gig. Um, you can share your gig on all kind of social media, um, which is pretty cool. But let me just go back once. But that's kind of what you guys see. My ebook. Also, I have a little higher. Let me hide this thing for a second. I have a little higher paying gig, and I've gotten a few of these. This gig is like $600, which is pretty cool. For higher people who want higher credit limits. I do it in 2 days. Once again, I don't know if I have a charge in here, but I can charge 10, 20. And I've seen some people put $25 for fast deliveries, which is pretty cool. So, um, yeah. So I mean, look, man, this is awesome. Like I said, you don't have to worry about advertising. People come for you. I'm gonna just show you a little bit about when you develop any gig. Basically, you just put, I will do something I'm really good at it. So the cool thing about Fiverr, look, I don't care what you do for work. I'm imagining you're pretty good at your job right now. And you're probably pretty close to an expert or expertise. And you can sell consulting. That's what I'm doing. I'm selling consulting. I sell my ebook as a product, make a product. You can actually take a course on Fiverr and learn how to sell products. And then also, some people make money by not doing anything. They sell other people's expertise, which that's another video. You guys can find those online, but you can make money by doing that on Fiverr. Um, but it's like, I will, you know, I will do whatever. I will make you a logo, and then you select a category. You put your tags to it, and so it's pretty easy to build a gig. So let me just show you a little bit of. Look, I buy, sell everything on here. Look, this ebook, I, if you told me 2 years ago I would have an ebook out, I'd be like, you're out of your mind. I wouldn't have the time where I would sit down and. But look, I put my mind to it, and I did it. And the cool thing about it, I had someone help me to edit it. A lady from Sri Lanka actually helped me with the editing, which is awesome. But I'm very proud of it because I've been doing credit for 35 years, so it wasn't hard to do. Um, Let me just show you some of my analytics. Um, just a couple things while I'm thinking about while I'm through this. Look, it's pretty cool, and I see sometime I'll order gigs from people, stuff from people, and I see they no longer around. One no you don't want to do with Fiverr is to ask for 5-star reviews. Don't do that. That's a no-no. You get in trouble with that, and they give you warnings actually. But let me get back. This is my earnings, total earnings, uh, in the last, I want to say, uh, I think it's probably, let's see how long that goes back. So in the last 3 months, but I have 43 orders. And it's funny because your orders may not match up to your reviews. So I have, I think, 25 reviews. Sometimes people don't give you reviews. That's okay. Don't ask them for it. Don't get into that to get that warning. Stay away from that. But I have 43 orders. 25 people gave me reviews, and I'm at a 4.9, which is pretty cool. My average selling price is $64. February's been kind of quiet, but I tell you, January and December were really good months for me. I don't ask me why, but I kind of know why. I think a lot of times, with New Year's coming, people are in this resolution thing. They want to fix their credit. They want to, get business credit, learn about a business, that sort of thing. But just to show you, order there. That was a 244 out of 2 orders. Order 480. Actually, that was my $600 order. Also, too, guys, Fiverr takes 20% of your money. So at first I was thinking, man, that's a lot of money. Then I realized this is just a windfall for me. This is clients that I didn't have, right? And I don't have to pay for them. But it was a 252 order. I mean, so you can see over the last 60 days, guys, I think, yeah, man, from January 20 to 20, that's 7 orders. And like I said, I've been rocking these books out like crazy. And like they're $5. Fiverr takes a buck of that, and I net $4. But you know what? Better kick in the pants, right? Most money I've made online on a platform, which is pretty cool for me. And I think I'm going to have a huge year this year. But this is level 1, level 2. So I started here, beginner. I'm in level 1, level 2. I'm just going to scroll up here and I'll show you basically where I'm at right now. Response rate, so I'm at 100% completion, 100% on time. I've been on the platform for more than 120 days. I'm at 43 orders right now. I need to get to 50 to get to level 2. And then I made, which is pretty cool. They say you should be about 2,000. I already passed that at 43 orders. Awesome, right? And my rating is a 4.9, and 5 is the best you can get. Not too bad, not too shabby, guys. So look, let me show you the levels, what they come down to. So basically, you just hit when your seller level. Click here, learn more, and this will tell you all about your your Fiverr. Sorry about moving my little head around, but this is overview. Look, once you're on Fiverr and create a gig, you automatically get to the new seller. 7 gigs. Remember, I was telling you about the extras. You can charge 5, 10, 20, whatever. You can do multiple 5 gig multiples too, and custom orders up to $5,000. And then once again, once somebody purchases your gigs, you get paid 14 days later. Level 1. This is me right here. Completed at least 60 days an active seller on Fiverr. Completed at least 10 individual earn $400, which all I did. And guys, Fiverr likes to see you, because I know they'll have a problem if you go under that 4.7. They could kick you off the platform. So be kind to people, do a good job, get your deliveries on time, keep your response rate up. When people hit you back, look, if you're not going to be on, you're going to be on vacation, click on the out of the office. That's what you want to do. But this is where I'm at. I can do 10 gigs. I think I got 4 right now. And of course, I can go up. I can't wait to get to level. I'm pretty close to level 2, which is cool. I mean, just when people see you at a different level, they're quick to order your product. Quick to order your gig. I tell you, like I said, those all of a sudden I was just getting book at the book at the book, and then also I was booking some of the other the $25 gig, but most of that gig I was doing $300 orders, which was pretty cool. And then of course, and that's pretty much what I was telling you about earlier. You can do 20 active gigs. And look, probably after this video, I'm gonna come up with, especially for tax season, I'm gonna do another 4 or 5 gigs on here. And then this is top rated seller. Look, anytime you see top rated seller, you're gonna click on them and see, most people are gonna do a top rated seller first, level 2, level 1, and so on. And the cool thing in my field, there's not a lot of top rated sellers or level 1, 2 sellers. So the competition is not that great, which is cool for me. But if you're doing logos, yes, a lot of competition. You're doing thumbnails, that sort of things, a lot of competition. So it just kind of depends on what area you're in. But also too, you can do a whole lot of other things on here. Some things that you may even not thought you could do. And then also, like I was telling you, a lot of people sell other people's products who's not even expertise. I'm just show you that my earnings, once again, pretty much the same. What I withdrew so far, I used for purchases. I think I got $4 clearing. Time to make some money, guys. I have a PayPal account. The cool thing about linking your PayPal with it. Of course, I've never done that, and I've never done the direct deposit. The cool thing about PayPal. So when you get and I'll put my PayPal link in here, guys. You can click on the link, and I'll put my Fiverr link in here, so you can click on and sign up for Fiverr. If this is your introduction to making money online, there's no easier way to make money than on Fiverr. No email list, no autoresponder, no advertising. Just a way to start here by seeing that money going into your PayPal. But the cool thing about PayPal, you click it to your PayPal, and actually you can transfer from the money from your PayPal to your checking account, which is awesome, which I love doing. So look, this was just a really quick tutorial. If you guys like to do or would love to do a one-on-one, please hit me in a comment. I'd love to take you on a one-on-one. It'll be a small fee, but I'll definitely do. I definitely do that on everything I do because I am an entrepreneur and an online marketer. But this is Fiverr. Hopefully, you guys sign up and start your own online market, making money on learning with Fiverr. It's the best and easy way to start. So, guys, until next time, making sense of credit, making sense of online marketing. Thanks for being here. Peace, y'all.